In this lesson, we'll look at using hidden core apps. Now, Windows has many newer, flashy core apps that can handle many of our core tasks, whether it be creating artwork, playing music, or surfing the internet. However, there's a number of older, hidden core apps that are generally installed by default in Windows 10. It's good to be aware of their presence, especially as some of them may be especially useful to you. To find them, open your Start menu and look for the folder Windows Accessories. When you expand this folder, you'll see a number of apps that are familiar to longtime Windows users. Now, some of these will gradually be removed in future updates, so don't be surprised if you don't see this exact same list on your device. I still hear people refer to the newer Microsoft Edge web browser as Internet Explorer, even though they're really two different applications. Windows includes Internet Explorer for backwards compatibility. This can be important if we work with a website that requires Internet Explorer. Windows 10 includes sticky notes, but there's still times when I come back to Notepad to work with configuration files or as a quick way to strip formatting from text. Microsoft has been working on an updated version of Notepad, but in the meantime, you'll still find Notepad to be as reliable as ever. Now, if you ever need to make any of these apps easier to get to, remember you can always right-click the app and pin it to your Start menu. Paint is an old go-to app for working with JPEG or bitmap images. It's been replaced by the Paint 3D app. However, for those that still prefer the Paint interface, you'll find it here. The snipping tool is not as old as some of the other apps here, but it's been replaced by the Snip and Sketch app. When you open the snipping tool, you'll likely see a reminder to use the newer Snip and Sketch. It really has no abilities that aren't improved upon in the newer app. The Windows Media Player is still a very solid app. While Windows 10 has moved into the Groove and Spotify apps as your indicated apps for playing music, especially streaming music, the Windows Media Player is still great for anyone that works with playlists or that needs to burn or rip music from a disk. I frequently point people to the WordPad application. It certainly can't touch all of the features included in Word, but it does have the advantage of being free and already installed in Windows 10. For basic text documents, letters, papers, resumes, you're going to find everything you really need, including formatting and the ability to insert images. In this lesson, we've looked at using hidden core apps. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.